I'm trying to make Just Millet's Italian bread with my Bosch, and I'm trying to make rye bread. So I've got my udane in there, and I'm mixing in some very cold, refrigerated potato water, actually it is. And this is the 460 grams, but I'm not going to use all of that, as Melanie recommends not to. So I'll do almost all of it. Okay, I'm mixing. Now I'm going to get my flour. Now, something that I just started doing was taking temperatures, which I never did before. And the temperature after I milled my flour was like 110 or something like that. So what I did is I put it in my freezer for about 15 or 20 minutes, and it got down to 28 degrees. So now I've added my flour. It's on. That's well incorporated. So I'm just going to give this a little rest. That's what Bosch recommends. After a 15-20 minute rest, I'll add my 10 grams of yeast and salt. I had to add about 50 grams more of the water to get me up to the 360. And now I'm just mixing it still. And I put the lid on so that it would warm, because when I checked the temperature, it was only 22 degrees. It could get a little bit warm now before I added the yeast. I'm going to add my 10 grams of yeast and 10 grams of salt. Give that a little stir. Got to knead up to 2. And I have 100 grams of the water left, or the potato water. So I'll just add a little bit, see if it contains it. It's a little sloppy, but hopefully it'll hold together. I did put caraway seeds in it. I actually have caraway seeds in the flour when I made my udane. Oh, it looks like it's pulling it together, so it did take that little extra. Okay, good. Okay, maybe I can add a little bit more. Okay, so just finished kneading about 8 minutes. And I'm going to take the dough temperature, see what that is. It's only 25, 26 degrees. It's kind of sticky. I get my hand wet. All right, there is some gluten development. Oh, it ripped a little bit. Yeah, I think I'll just go a couple more minutes. Okay, so now we're at 8 minutes kneading. Let me see here. Oh yeah, I think that looks pretty good. Yeah, I think that's pretty good. All right, so now I'm gonna take it out and put it in a bowl. Okay, I just performed some stretch and folds right here in my bowl. So I just did this around, and now I'm going to put it in my pan. I have to preheat my oven though. I forgot to do that, but unlike Melanie's, my oven doesn't take forever. It heats up probably in about 10 minutes, 15 minutes. So I'll just let that sit. I put my bread dough out on my mat here, and I just did a tri-fold, and now I'm going to roll it up and put it in my 9x5 loaf pan. I am going to just cover it with some saran wrap. I'll just let that sit here while my oven preheats. I'm not going to do the Dutch oven because I don't want like a real hard crust. Okay, I'm back, and I've been letting this rise for about 15-20 minutes, and you'll see that it is a little bit above my pan. So I'm going to put this in my 350 oven and check on it after about 30 minutes. The timer just went off, so I'm going to check to see how it is after 30 minutes. It looks good. Oh, looks like it really rose. Let me just take a test it just to see where we're at. Yeah, we got a long ways to go. I'll try it in another 15 minutes. I cooked it for another 15 minutes. It sure did get a good oven spring, as they say. Oh, 202, okay, it's done. That looks nice. Oh, I can't wait to cut it. I'm excited. All right, well now I just have to wait for it to cool, and then I'll take a slice and taste it. Here it is. I think it looks great. I'm so happy with it. Look at that. Look at, it's only been about 40 minutes, but I couldn't wait anymore. It's bendy, and this is the end piece. Oh my gosh, this tastes like rye bread. Thank you, Melanie. I've been waiting to make some good rye bread, and I finally was successful. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So you can make Just Millet's Italian bread in the Bosch. You have to chill the flour and make sure you have cold water and check the temperature from time to time. Make sure that it's on Fahrenheit if that's what you're going to be using. Anyway, good luck everyone. Bye.